Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this chicken salsa verde casserole. Absolutely delicious, yet so simple to make. The ingredients you're going to need is 1.5 cups of salsa verde, 2 cups of pepper jack cheese shredded. You can use whichever cheese you like. I'm going to leave that up to you. 1 cup of sour cream, 2 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken, or you may poach your chicken yourself and shred it, 2 cups of diced Roma tomatoes. I remove the seeds, and then I have extra for garnishing on the top, 8 corn tortilla shells, 1 to 2 tablespoons of green onions. Some of you in the world will know this as scallion or spring onions, and 2 teaspoons of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can leave it out. Add your 1 cup of sour cream into a medium mixing bowl, along with 3/4 cups of your salsa verde. Give this a lovely mixing to where both ingredients are well incorporated. And at this time, you want your oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We can set this off to the side. Lightly grease an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with a little olive oil and get it up on the sides of your dish. Sit over here to the side. Now in a bowl with a little water, lightly just dip our corn tortillas in it. This will keep them nice and soft and they begin to bake. And we're going to add 4 here to the bottom. There's the second one. The third one. And the fourth one. Add half your sour cream mixture. And spread it over to the corners. Add half your chicken, sprinkle it on here, sprinkle with half your tomatoes, which is going to be a cup. Go all the way to the corner and push it down. The weight of the tomatoes and the other ingredients will weigh down those corn tortillas. Sprinkle half your minced cilantro over the top. And like I said, if you don't like cilantro, leave it out. Add half of your pepper jack cheese, or any cheddar cheese or Monterey cheese or a Mexican blend cheese will work. This is smelling so delicious. For the second layer, we're coming back with that water. Add your corn tortilla shells. And we're going to lay it right here on top. You'll be amazed at how these corn tortilla shells hold up during baking. Just running them through a little bit of water. And we can move these over to each corner. Add your remaining sour cream sauce. Just push down the corners. Like I said, the weight of all your ingredients are going to push those corn tortillas down into the casserole. Add your remaining chicken. Add your remaining tomatoes. Again, just push it down in there. Add your remaining cilantro. finish it with a layer of your shredded cheese. This is off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 20 to 25 minutes or until golden in color. Use your timer and no peeking. Here's our chicken salsa verde casserole. You can hear it sizzling. All right, I'm going to put it here on a cooling rack. Right away, I'm going to add those extra little dices of tomatoes for looks and for extra flavor, and those green onions we're going to add right here to the top as well. Oh, if you could be here and smell how yummy this is. I'm going to add that remaining verde sauce over the top, just like this. All right, I'm going to let it cool for about 10 minutes before I cut into it. I'm going to add some fresh cilantro leaves here on the top. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. It smells so delicious. It's going to be so cheesy. Here's a little bitty piece of chicken. Wow, look at those lovely layers. Does that look fantastic? And look here on the inside, how beautiful those layers turned out. And back here with our piece of chicken salsa verde. Wow! Absolutely loaded with flavors. That salsa verde, those tomatoes, the chicken, tortillas, and that pepper jack cheese is just win-win. And look at those layers. The chicken, the cheese, the tomatoes, the tortillas. You're not going to be disappointed with this chicken salsa verde casserole. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, y'all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.